Alright guys, let me explain. The reason why your websites keep crashing might be due to the low authority hosting that you are using. If you are using a low authority hosting, so then maybe they have a bad server for you in place to host your website. So you may want to contact them and check out with them if they can help you to resolve that. So you need to contact their help center and get in close to them to help you check that out. Another issue might be that the fact that your domain has expired. So we want to check whether your domain is still intact and it's not expired. So if your domain is expired, it can cause your website to be crashing and it may not work. Another one is the plugin. If you have too much plugin on your website, if you are using too much plugin can slow your website down. But not only that, it can also make your website crash sometimes. So you can just deactivate. What you can do is you can try to deactivate some plugins on your website, deactivate it all and reactivate them one by one and see which one is causing the crashing of your website. Another problem might be the fact that you are using the browser that you are using. Maybe the browser that you are using is expired. You are using an expired browser, so you need to update your browser, or you clear cookies and clear cookies and stuff on your website on your browser. So you clear cookies on your browser, then try it again if your website will work again. So try to clear cookies and see if your website will work back again. Another issue might be due to the theme that you are using. Maybe the theme is not the right thing for your website, so you may want to change your theme. Another issue might be the fact that your website has been hacked. So in that case, you want to contact the WordPress or the hosting platform that you are using for your website. So these are the major issue that your website may have if it is crashing. So you want to look at those problems and see if your website keep working properly again. So you want to make sure you are using a good hosting for your website. If you want to check out a good hosting, the link is down below to check out a good hosting for your website. So make sure your domain has not expired. Then the theme that you are using, the plugin that you install on your website, the browser that you are using, you want to check if it is expired, or maybe you can also clear cookie on your browser and see if it will back again, and check if your website has not been hacked. Another thing that I want to add to this is check your internet. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you are using internet, so you want to check if you really have a good internet connection on your devices. So that is it. The reason why your website keep crashing. So check those out and see if your website keep working properly. So if you have anything to say about this video, drop it down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I will give you more helpful tips like this to help you grow your online business. So see you in the next video, and cheers.